Okay, we work on grip and cue action. So your task is to play with the full backswing, stop the ball where the blue ball is. Approach the shot, okay? So you do your feathers, backswing, relax grip, hit the ball. Great stuff. On the long bridge, because you cannot reach the table yet, just make your backswing less, because you're gonna have more control during delivery, okay? You approach. Looks great. Relax grip, hit the ball softly. Okay, this time a bit softer, but the action was great. It's not the hit, it's the push shot, okay? Just keep this in your mind, okay? Approach the shot. If you want to make a stop shot, just play lower, okay? And hit the ball. Much better. Okay, approach the shot again. Stance looks stable. Motion is good. Backswing, hit. Well done. Now topspin on the black ball area, okay? So you play with power using cushion. Stability is good. Full backswing. Stay still. Great stuff. Again, play topspin. Just front view for the and topspin. Stay still completely. A bit tight grip, but it was fine. You stay still. Good job. Okay, now again play screw back, front view. It's all about tempo and feeling relaxed in your grip on impact and on the backswing, of course. Stay still, no body movement. Good. Okay, because you're gonna play with pace, keep the long backswing, stay still, and play, you know, with freedom still. So make sure the grip is light at the end, okay? And stay still on impact. Boom, boom, come on. Great stuff. Again, same angle, this time with screw back. Guys, you're gonna see address position, really solid stance, nice follow through length, nice. Come on, baby. Nice grip release, like a pistol. Okay, last time your feathering was a little bit too quick, just make sure a little bit more smoother, okay? One, two, three, stop, backswing, release. Come on, baby. What a nice release in your grip. Nice. Play up the cushion, play up the cushion. Stance looking good. Address positions looking good. Play the shot. Well done. Stance looking good. Address position looking good. You have enough follow through distance. Just below center. Stop shot. Stay still up to the shot. Okay? Backswing. Hit. Bravo. All right. So now front view. Come up to the shot. Head on line. Cue on line. Great stuff. Address position looks perfect. Slow backswing. Stay still. Play the shot. Bravo, mate. Okay, now play off cush with topspin. With power. Stay still up to the shot. A little bit. Okay, approach the shot. Okay, it looks good. Full backswing. Stay still. Well done. Approach. Do your feathers. Backswing. Hit. Good stuff. Stop shot. Aim. Below center. Full backswing and hit. Full backswing. Good. Again, approach the shot. Hit. Good. Now from this angle, approach the shot. Alignment, staying still. Approach the shot. Looks good. Approach. Stance looks good. Stay still. Great stuff. Right, you walk in and play softly. Brilliant, mate. This is how we train.